What's good, y'all? Today, me, Marcel, and Ty are going to Monkey, and we're gonna have people rating us 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
Yeah, that's usually how people get rated.
Shut up. And then, so yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh! Yo, alright. Who was that? Can you rate all of us 1 through 10?
Okay. The one with the
Oh shit.
the one in the middle is like a 4.
Okay.
The one in the middle is a 0.
Oh my god!
Oh!
The one with the friends hoodie on is like a 6. Yeah. And then the one with the last one left. He's like
A what? Say
Like
again?
a what?
a 10 and 8.5.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay.
So you got an 8.5 and a 10.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
I didn't know I could fucking say it. Hello?
No, everybody's fucking upside down.
Hi.
Okay, wait, add time.
Alright, can you rate all of us 1 through 10?
What?
Can you rate all of us 1 through 10?
Okay, that one right there is...
Which one?
Which one?
Okay.
Which one?
That one. Yeah, that one.
This one? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, not even gonna lie.
He's a what?
He's an 8?
A 10.
10.
Damn!
Okay.
Shit.
What about him?
Middle?
Yeah, you like a 5.
Okay.
Okay.
What about me?
You're a 10.
Okay. That's foul.
Okay, guys, you want me to rate you?
Yes.
Yes.
Add time.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, she's already on
Yeah,
that.
I like that.
Alright,
I like that.
Start with him.
Okay, boom. The curly hair, I'm bless you, but you a 7.8.
Okay.
Wait,
Fair.
Middle?
And then, what are you talking about? That way. Can you shut up? It's my turn. You can do your thing later. Okay, so since you black, that's a bonus. I'm gonna give you an 8.5.
Okay, let's see you.
Yeah. Alright, this one.
Okay, and that one, you look like a sweetheart. So I'm gonna give you an 8.9.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Thank you. Alright, bye.
Okay, I'm right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we got another one.
Hurry up. The light skin is better. He's a 10 first of all. The dark skin. Okay, whatever. The light skin is a 10. Okay. The dark skin, you're a big 9.
Okay.
And the last one, you're cute. So you're like a 8.9.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Some nice ass people.
Exactly.
Some nice ass people.
See?
Look at that. Come on.
Oh my god.
You're a fat ass. You better shut your. Yo, you are. Oh my god.
Ugly as hell. Look at you.
Oh my god.
Boy, stop playing with. Oh. Should have added time.
That shit was. Ha. Damn. Oh.
Alright.
Wait, add time.
Alright, can you rate us 1 through 10?
Starting here.
Yeah, start with him.
I'll give you a 5.
Alright.
Metal. Do a 2. And white boy. I like white boy.
I'm a what?
Just continue.
We're both.
Wait.
We're
Hold
both-
on. Shut up. Wait, what?
It's 10.
Oh wow, thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Hello.
Add time.
Alright, can you rate us 1 through 10? Start with him.
Start with him.
Okay, you get a 5.
Yikes. What about him?
You get a 4.
Okay.
Oh.
Go ahead.
And you get a 6.
Alright, thank you. You got a big ass forehead.
That was foul.
Hello?
Hey, Daddy.
Is that your?
Alright. So I just add time and then I'll start with Marcell.
Hey. Oh nah, I don't do that. You gotta go. I'm sorry.
Oh no.
Shut. You're too ugly to show yourself on the camera. You better shut the before I toast you. I swear to God. I swear to God. I will get on your neck. Oh shit.
Hello?
Alright,
add time. Can you rate all of us 1 through 10?
How old are y'all?
I'm
17.
I'm 15.
Wait, who's the 15-year-old?
I'm turning 16 like next month.
He's a 7. The 15-year-old's a 7.
Which one? There's two.
There's two.
There's 2.
The one with the grayish. Yeah, that one that you're pointing at. The one on the left. Yeah.
Okay. Now this one.
Put his head in more. Put your head in more.
Oh damn.
A 6.
What about him?
Wait, how old are y'all?
I'm 13.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
I'm 14.
Oh!
Oh, I freeze. That's what I do.
So
act like the camera's broken. Hello?
Nah, be for real, bro.
what are you talking to?
So you trying to tell us what that mouth do? Like, what's you talking about?
He followed you.
Please.
Anyways,
Yo, what?
next.
No way.
Look at the ages. Alright. Because we're not doing that again.
Possession.
Hello?
Hello.
Wait, at time. Can you rate?
Okay.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10? All of us?
Can I rate you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So wait, start with him.
You play soccer?
Yeah.
You play soccer?
Yeah.
Or do all of you guys?
No.
Just me.
Oh, I love you more. I choose you.
Fair. You know what? We don't even need the rate, alright? It's over. It's over.
Alright, you got it.
Appreciate it. Nah, actually, can you rate us? We're making a video.
No, but like in all reality, you guys are sideways, but the kid,
I forgot about that.
if you were looking at the camera, the kid on your left, that kid, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, the other kid.
Me?
Yeah, that one.
Rate him.
Yeah.
Rate him. 1 to 10.
yeah.
1 to 10.
Yeah. I don't do rates. I don't like not rating.
So.
I don't know my alphabet, so
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, bro, we got it. You win. You
That
got
made
it, bro.
no sense. Hold on, I gotta say something.
No, bro, you win. It's ready.
Alphabet is letters, son.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Oh my god.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'ma die. That's not a lie. Know how I go. I'ma tell you, I'm probably still your hoe.
Alright, that's it.
No, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Hey! Yo, what's good?
It was good.
After shooting Tay's video, we were too loud, and his dad called or whatever, and we got kicked out of the house. So now we're just chilling, and we're walking to a playground at the south. So yeah, that's the second time that happened.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I'll catch you.
Peace.
Damn, I got to chill here by myself, then. That's crazy. I'm about to go to the swings. Imagine. Crazy.
Whoa, whoa, oh, that shit. Ah, oh.